Here's a natural recipe that combines ingredients known to potentially boost libido and improve erectile function. Natural libido-boosting smoothie ingredients: 1 medium banana, high in potassium and vitamin B6, which are important for stamina and energy. 1 cup spinach, rich in magnesium, which improves blood flow by helping arteries and blood vessels relax. 1/2 avocado, packed with healthy fats and vitamin E, which can boost testosterone levels. 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder, contains phenylethylamine and serotonin, both of which are moody enhancers. 1 teaspoon maca powder, known for its libido-enhancing properties and hormonal balance. 1 tablespoon honey, natural source of energy and contains boron, which helps regulate hormones. 1 cup almond milk, contains vitamin E and magnesium, both beneficial for sexual health. Instructions: combine ingredients, place all the ingredients in a blender. Blend. Blend until smooth. Serve, pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. Additional tips: ginger tea. Consuming ginger tea can help improve circulation and has been traditionally used as an aphrodisiac. Pomegranate juice. Drinking a glass of pomegranate juice daily can enhance blood flow and reduce stress, which can improve erectile function. Nuts and seeds. Incorporate walnuts, almonds, and pumpkin seeds into your diet as they are rich in essential fatty acids and zinc, which are crucial for sexual health. Lifestyle considerations: regular exercise improves cardiovascular health and stamina. Stress management. Practices such as yoga and meditation can help reduce stress, which is beneficial for sexual health. Healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins supports overall health and can improve sexual function. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions.